What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be fixing the cross member on the truck build. Let's get to it. Now, for starters, for those of you who don't know, there is a gaping hole inside of this cross member that holds this long arm. Okay, so I did not cut this. Yes, it is freshly ground up on the sides because I'm going to get ready to start welding it back together. So the previous owners had cut this out to clearance this for V8 inside of the Ford Ranger. This is a Ford Ranger frame. And obviously I can't leave a huge hole, so I have to make some templates, cut some metal, and start welding. So to start, I would recommend that you guys go get a few pieces of cardboard to start any type of template, because honestly it really sucks cutting some material and sizing it up and finding out that the measurements don't line up, and then you have to recut it, and you don't want to waste all that kind of material. So cardboard is what I used, and that's again what I recommend. And I perfected it off of this to a certain extent to finally transfer it over to my material so I don't waste anything and cut it all up. Let me show you guys how it fits. Now, keep in mind, these plates that I have taped in place are obviously not exactly going to be sitting like this. When I weld it in, it's going to fit a lot different. For instance, there will be no gap there or there. Like, I'm not trying to fill that in with weld. Once I weld the side in, I'll be able to hammer it and work it down to the corner and make it flush, and then it'll be able to line up with the top plate, and I'll be able to zip everything shut. This is what she's looking like. No real crazy gaps. Just honestly, I'm not sure if I really like how I made this patch panel, but it works. And I can't complain, because again, this truck's just gonna get beat to hell, and it's just for fun, and I just can't have an open freaking hole. So I guess let me just zip this welded shut and show you the final product. And there you have it, guys. This panel, or panels, are officially welded in. A little bit of flap wheel and wire brush action, and this bad boy's capped off and done. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe what I could have done different, what I should do different. Should I cut this panel and make it match that one? Should I just leave it be and rock it? I don't know. You guys let me know. But this panel's cut, welded, fixed. No more gaping hole. Just need some primer and some paint. She's good. I'm liking it. Looks like I got a little mess to clean up. And yeah, time to call it a day. Oh, that's fucking gross. Let me show you guys what I did to the rear of the frame real quick before I end this video. I'm pretty much completely ready to start putting a 4-link together, and actually I sourced one, and I got this universal kit And I think it's going to work just fine for what I want to do. It's not this crazy heavy duty kit, but it'll fit and it'll work. And I might make the stock 4-link bracket on the top of the 8.8. I might try to make that work. I'm not sure. No, I'll get to it. But let me show you guys what I did. Looks like a mess, tons of flap wheel marks, but every single rivet and leaf spring bracket on both sides are banged out, grinded out, flap wheeled out. So it's pretty much make this the right height, raise it up a little bit, take some measurements, because this has a lot of measuring, so that way you're not crab walking as you're driving. But pretty much make the measurements, line up the kit, tack weld it, and put it together. So instead of me just rambling on, guys, I'm going to just end the video here. I appreciate all you guys' support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have an amazing day.